Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice latest version 26 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay, first verify whether we have any Office suite comes. So you don't have any LibreOffice or other open source Office suite. Okay, now open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu 26.04, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, it is libreoffice.org. Click on this download. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 26.2.3. For Ubuntu operating systems, we have to download this Debian package. So click on this one. See, download started and its size is about 207 megabytes and it is zip file. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will unzip this file and we will install LibreOffice. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads ls. Now unzip this file tar-accept, then libre, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Extraction completed. Now go to this LibreOffice folder, ls, go to this steps folder, ls. Now we have to install these packages. Control it, sudo tpkg-i, then star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now click on show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice. So we have successfully installed. Go up one more directory, again ls, this, remove this directory and this downloaded file, rm-rf libre, press the tab, ls. So we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install LibreOffice 26.2 on Ubuntu 26.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.